Hey, what's up? How's everybody doing? Thank you for tuning into my channel. My name is Yadrissa, and this is the set that I'm going to show you how to create on today's video. So this is the nail tip I'm going to be using today by Btartbox, and this is the short square nails tip that I'm going to be using, full cover. So I just showed you there, this is an example of the finished one that I did already, and the nails that I'm going to do now. So this is the Gayo nail polish in color 1354. This reminds me of like a sheer nude, but it does have a pink undertone to it. So I wanted to use that as a base color for this nail set today because I didn't want it to be completely sheer so you can see through the other side when you apply the nails on. I really don't like how that looks when it's all the way see-through. Well, with this look that I'm going for today, that's not what I was going for. So I wanted to do something that have a little tint of color. I didn't have a brown nude to use today, so I just went in with this pink color, and I'm going to be applying that color to each of the nails, and then I'm going to put it in my UV lamp and let it cure for 60 seconds in the lamp. And I did go in with that nude gel polish. I did go in and apply 2 coats of that nude background color. So now what I'm doing, I'm going in with my Mia Secret blooming gel, and I'm just going to be applying that blooming gel to the nail because I did want to do some black nail art on this nail. So that's why I'm using my blooming gel. I am using a fine liner brush to do this nail set today, and this polish is by Beetles. It's a black gel polish, and it's by the brand Beetles. I'm going to use the end of that liner brush, the dotting tool, and I'm going to use that to create my design on this nail today, as you can see. Instead of using the brush part of this nail tool, I decided to use a dotting tool because I thought that it would be it would make it a lot more neater, and just for that design on that nail, so it doesn't spread so much, and it will be evenly placed because all of the dots will be the same size basically. So for this next nail, the pointer finger, I decided that I wanted to do a French tip, but a V French tip, and I'm just going in with that same Beetles gel polish, the black gel polish, and I'm going to take that same liner brush. This is a fine liner brush, the small one, and I'm going to be creating my my V French tip with that gel polish. So if you are familiar here with on my channel, when I do my nail sets, I do like to create nails that are different on each nail just to give it a different feel. That is what I like to. I do like the uniform nails, but when I'm creating a freestyle set, I just like to, give it a little twist and a little different design on each of the nails. So now I'm going in with my Macart rhinestone gel, and I'm applying that to this nail because I'm going to be applying a charm on this nail today. And the charm that I'm going to be using today is this heart. It looks like a heart, but it's like dripping as well. So I'm just making sure that it's centered, and then I'm going to place that in my UV lamp for 60 seconds to cure and dry. I'm going back in with my Mia Secret blooming gel. For this nail, I'm just going to be applying a thin layer of this blooming gel onto the nail because I'm going to be doing some more nail art today on this nail. And I'm going back in with that same dotting tool, and I'm going to be dipping it into my black gel polish, and then I'm going to begin to create my nail art on this nail here. And I am creating this set for Carla Toby. I'm hoping that I'm pronouncing her name correctly, Carla Toby. I did message her on Instagram and asked her, can I send her a free set of nails? That's another person that I follow on Instagram, and I just like her content, and I think she's I think she's really dope. Just all around, like her style as far as dressing and her hair and her makeup, just how she does it all and puts it all together. She seemed like she'll be a cool person in real life, long story short. So I reached out to her because I like her content, and I wanted to, you know, just send her a free set of nails that I designed, and it's custom made for her basically. So the next thing that I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going over my nails with that matte gel polish, and this is from Beetles as well. This gel polish is from Beetles. So I wanted this set to be a matte set, so that's why I'm going in with this. I thought that it would look good matte because I always do, most of the time when I do nails, I do it shiny. So I thought that I would just do a little twist with the matte gel polish on this set of nails. So that's why I'm going in and applying that matte gel polish to each of these nails. And after I finish applying the matte gel polish, then I'm going to put it in my UV lamp to let it dry and cure for 60 seconds in my lamp. But yeah, so I'm creating a set for Carla Toby. I hope that when she receives these nails that she enjoys these nails, and yeah, just really like them. And I did create another set for her as well. I did create 2 sets of nails, this one and another set of nails that I'm going to be sending out to her hopefully this weekend, because I like to finish all of my orders first before I ship them out. I don't just go when I'm finished one order one by one to the post office, because it's just more convenient for me to just do them all at once. So this is the nails, the rhinestones that I'm going to be using today. This is just my little case of you know, rhinestones and charms, and I'm going to use that Btart rhinestone gel to apply my nail charm on this nail as well. And I'm just going to be putting a generous amount, enough for it to hold that charm in place so it does not move. And I like to keep it centered, make sure it's nice and straight. I did put that nail in the UV lamp to cure for 60 seconds. Now I'm applying that same rhinestone glue, but I'm just applying small tiny dots to this nail with that rhinestone glue, only because I'm using these small diamonds, and I thought that it would add a little bit of, you know, flavor, a little pop, a little bling to the set. So I'm going to be going in with my small rhinestones that I'm going to be added to each of those dots that I placed with the rhinestone gel. I'm going to be placing the diamonds right directly on top of that, as you can see. And if you got so far in this video and you like what you see, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel here, and also hit the bell notification, so whenever I do upload my weekly videos, you can be notified, the first to be notified when I upload my new videos, and tune in to a new set, you know, a new style, a new freestyle, you know, set of nails. I really liked how it came out with the diamonds. I felt like it bring that nail to life, as far as just added a little bit more flavor to it, a little bit of bling. You know, you can't go wrong with some bling on the nails. I think it really stand out a lot more. I did like the matte black with the blooming gel alone, but it just added so much more when I added those diamonds, and I'm glad that I decided to add those to the nails. So let me know what you guys think of this video in the comment section, also down below. And yeah, let me know what you guys think of this video. Do you like it, or you know, do you want me to try out some different nail looks on my channel? And excuse my background, my window is open and I'm doing a voiceover, and it's so loud sometimes outside. So I'm just continuing with my Btart rhinestone gel, adding those dots to the areas, only to the areas that I'm going to be applying my rhinestones. And then I'm going to be using my wax stick to pick up my rhinestones and place them onto my nails, only where I place the rhinestone gel. So Carla Toby, if you are viewing this video, my name is Yadrissa, and I am the person that sent these nails out to you. I hope that you enjoy your set of nails. If you ever view this video, yeah, I just enjoy your content. Thank you for being you and your confidence and everything. It motivates me in my own type of way too, being a woman of color and just trying to achieve in life, and you know, just post what I love and stuff like that. So just thank you for being you, and I hope you enjoy your nail sets that I am sending you. Much love to you. So this is how the nails look after I have finished the nails. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and go ahead and check out some of my other videos I have posted. Bye.